so it's me, Kiani. Today's video, I'm back with another wig review. This video is also in collaboration with TiSun Beauty, where TiSun Beauty, you can be your own kind of beautiful. So if you want to see the details on this beautiful wig unit right here, just keep on watching. So today's video I'm bringing you is on this beautiful unit right here, you guys. I mean, I know, she's not blonde, but she is still stunning. I just had to get my hands on this unit. Her name, before I get too carried away, is not even a name. She is item number MLC 170, style Magic Lace Curve Part 170, in a color DX Violet. She is quick and easy, as they say, iron safe. Yes, she does go up to 360 degrees if you need to pop a little bit of heat on her. But honey, as I'm showing her to you right now, she is simply straight out of the pack. Let's go ahead and get into wig construction. She comes with one comb in the front. You guys know I like two combs in the front, but this one only comes with one. She's located right here, right at this part. Also one comb in the back, and of course she does come with an adjustable strap. She is giving me this beautiful Yankee fabric syntheticness, but you guys, if you followed me for a little while, you know typically when I get a straight wig, I typically like for it to have a little bit more Yankee, because when it comes out of the pack, it's beautiful. It gives you that very natural bohemian blowout type feel. But as you wear it and it starts to tangle a little bit, yes girl, she's going to tangle. She is synthetic, but as she does start to tangle, as long as it is heat safe, you can straighten her out and give her a whole nother life. I have to tell you guys why I gravitated toward this unit, because I am about to start show season and I love to change my look. And I've been getting back into my smoky eye look, so I wanted something that was going to complement a lot of the moods as I change from city to city. I like to change my hair. I like to feel with the vibe of the city. This week I'm going to New York, so I knew that I wanted to create something very, very whimsical, very smoky eye. I still want to have my look on the pulse of the city that I'm in. So Violet definitely fit the bill for me. If you guys keep your eyes abreast of the colors of the season, Pantone has named Violet the color of 2018. So here we go, Violet. And to get my hands on this unit, I had to look no further than TiSun Beauty. If you're new to my channel, typically I review blonde wigs. If you're old here, I know you guys are like, girl, what are you doing? But isn't this color absolutely stunning? She's saying violet, but it's giving me this almost indigo blue purple undertone, and I'm just thinking, as fair as I am and as much as I love a blonde unit, for me to gravitate towards something this deep, you know this color is everything. I love what they've actually done with it. They have given you the beautiful tone, and then you can go into this deeper hue underneath. Now, don't worry about this. I did not bobby pin her all the way down, but it's not going to matter, because once I style her, I'm going to use bobby pins in my styling method, so that's going to allow this to lay down a little bit better. But you can see where the comb is right here. She's holding on. I don't think that this would be one of those units that I would glue down to my head. It's something that I'm really trying to preserve my edges. I didn't even use a stocking cap or a bonnet or anything like that. I want to minimize the friction on my hair, so I just use kind of like a edge tamer to hold my edges down, that's where the comb is being attached, so I'm not having to worry about the comb pulling my edges out as well. So I don't know if you guys are into saving your edges, girl, but I totally am. I want to save my edges, okay? And I just love that this unit has this thickness. I couldn't really tell you what the density is, but if I had to guess, I would say about 150% density if I were dealing with a natural hair unit or a human hair unit. It's giving me a lot of density. I'm going to turn to the side so you can see the thickness in this unit. Again, with that Yankee fiber, you're not going to have to worry about seeing any holes in the unit, which is going to give you a lot of different styling options. I'm going to turn to the back. You can see how well they put this unit together. I want to show you guys a couple of different ways that I can see me really rocking this. Very quick, and really allowing this color to be the star of the show. So I have this beautiful little turban here. Like, this turban with this unit, like, that's a look. You can find amazing different accessories for your hair. I mean, spring is coming around, girl, so wigs are the new accessory, and putting another accessory on top of your wig as the accessory, you know, yeah, you can pull that off. Another look that I've been rocking my ball cap. So I love this, and I could even, you know, pull her back in a pony, but this look has been so hot. Getting me a unit that I can not have to worry about doing a whole lot to, throw a ball cap on, you know, show up on set, looking real cute, real pulled together, but didn't have to do a whole lot. Like, she's not requiring me to do a whole lot. You guys know that I'm going to gravitate toward it, but the color is what gravitated me toward this unit. And she's not too thick that she won't fit underneath the ball cap. Like, sometimes our wigs fight the accessories. This unit right here, she's giving me the density to wear her without an accessory, and boom, when I need to apply the accessory, how you doing? So absolutely obsessed with mainly the coloring in this unit. Again, I wish that she would have another comb on this side, but I mean, you could really add one of those if you needed to. And if you're really trying to save your edges, you really don't want to be gluing the units down, you really don't want to have to worry about bobby pinning them down too tough. So yeah, I am absolutely obsessed, like obsessed with this color. I'm looking forward to wearing her and creating some beautiful looks. She is not going to be your everyday unit, girls. You're going to probably want to look on your little stock card and see what other colors she comes in, and she is available in a 1B, 2, and 4, your typical colors. She does come in a DX4 blonde, so for my blonde lovers, here you go. Here are all the colorings right here. I'll link those in the description box as well. And that's all I have for this unit. Big thanks to TiSun Beauty for partnering with me again with this beautiful unit and sending this to me for my review for you guys to see that TiSun Beauty is actually ramping up their online website. And you know what? They're going to give you guys a cute little discount for coming over to the website and purchasing your very own. So I'm going to leave that in the description box below. And you know what's next? I need you guys to comment down below. What are you thinking of this beautiful unit right here? I mean, is this violet one of the ones that you're going to be needing? Or would you typically rock her in your standard colors? I mean, do you want to see me do more tricks and techniques with this unit? Make sure you follow me on my social media so you never miss another upload, and you can actually stay abreast of how I actually style this unit behind the scenes. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching. Hugs and kisses. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.